Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing something a little different today. I'm not in my usual filming spot. I'm putting together a gift bag and I wanted to show you what I'm doing to put it together, just to give you guys some ideas about gift presentation, how to simply and cheaply put together something that's really fun and festive and looks special. I'm putting together a gift bag for my best girlfriend. We are going to Harry Potter World very soon, and so it's going to be Harry Potter themed. I'm going to give it to her on the trip. It's her birthday a few weeks after we go, so it is a birthday present, but it's all Harry Potter stuff, and I found some ways to wrap it up and present it that are really fun. Like I said, really not going to break the bank. First, I'll show you what I'm putting in the gift, and then I'll show you the different items I'm using to make it a little bit more fun and creative to give. So this is the main part of the present. This is a purse. It's a little crossbody bag. It is super cute. It's a little chocolate frog box. How sweet is that? This is from a store called Primark. They have it in England and they have a few in the US. This is from the British store, though they're not selling it in the US yet. But if you want to pick one of these up, you can probably find it on eBay. Just search Primark chocolate frog purse. But really, really cute. This is going to be great in the parks. And then at the US Primark store, I picked up these Harry Potter flip-flops. They have the different, it's the house, like it's the Hogwarts crest and the different colors of the different houses. These were like just a couple dollars, and you can get these in the US. And then I got her this set of little stud earrings that, is it focusing? They're little chocolate frogs. There we go. So it's a little set of chocolate frog stud earrings. I got these on a site called AliExpress for just a couple dollars, and they're really nice. The thing about AliExpress is leave yourself plenty of time. The shipping takes a long time. I think this took 3 or 4 weeks, but they're really cute. You can find really creative, unique stuff there for not very much money. And then I'm also going to include some of these bows that I made recently. I have a chocolate frog bow here and a little honeydukes bow. I did a video on these. If you want to see them, I will link that below. They were really easy to make, and she likes wearing hair bows just like I do, so these will be a cute little addition. So now I'm going to wrap up the items with this Harry Potter print wrapping paper. It's got Harry's glasses and a lightning bolt, and then I'm going to put the items in this Harry Potter gift bag. Really, really cute. And then I also got a Harry Potter greeting card. I wanted to show you this because this was super hard to find. I looked everywhere for a Harry Potter card. It should not have been this difficult. I looked at Walmart, I looked at Target. I found this of all places at Five Below. I wasn't even in there looking for this, but there it was, and it was $2.99. So a really great deal at Five Below. If you're looking for a Harry Potter card, it's like the only place that you can find one. So now we're gonna wrap. So there's my packages wrapped up. I left the chocolate frogs in the little box they came in. I think it's fun if you're doing a gift bag to individually wrap each item. Kind of builds up the excitement, but you don't have to do like something super intense. I did this really quick. So then I'm gonna pop them in my bag, and then I have some really fun filler to go in here and make it a little special. So that's the purse, the flip-flops, I got the bows, I got the earrings. So then I picked up some filler to put in the bag. I got this at the Dollar Tree. It's like, what would you call this? Not confetti, but it's like paper. It's gold and red. I thought that was a great find for Gryffindor. I got a couple bags of this that I'm gonna throw in. And then I also got a little bag of like craft white feathers for like Hedwig the owl. I'm gonna put that, scatter that on top. It'll look like Hedwig just dropped these parcels off into the bag. And then I picked up also at the Dollar Tree this tissue paper. It's got the red and gold. I thought that was really lucky to find. So I can put that on top, and then I'm done. I will pop my card in and it will be super cute. that's it all put together. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of this. If you like seeing videos on gift wrap and gift presentation, I love putting little gift bags like this together. I think it's a lot more fun than just one item. It's like a lot of little surprises. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit the red subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. I do really simple projects, DIYs, mommy, lifestyle stuff. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.